Hi friends, today we will see how can we connect our MetaMask to POTS account. You can do the same with your Trust Wallet or Token Bucket. So I'll try with MetaMask first. You go to Explore option and paste the link you got from your friend and click enter. So this is the page you will see. Just click connect, MetaMask, connect, confirm. So it is connected. Now we need IBS token first. I will try with the $100 test account and see how it goes. Click finance, swap. So I'll enter 100. For 100 I'm going to get 3.97 IBS. So let me try some more, maybe 101. Okay, 101 is okay. So I'm trying with 4 IBS first. To confirm the swap, I need to enable USDT first in my MetaMask. I click confirm. I'll also enable IBS, confirm, and then the swap option is live. So I'll go ahead and click the swap option, confirm. Okay, it's done. So I need to now go to finance and click staking. So there are different options: IBS 0 days, 90 days, 180 days, 360 days, 540 days. So the first one is 0, is like flexible. There's no lock-in into that. So I'll go and try with that stake. I'll select max, vesting period is 0 days, estimated API is 424. I click approve, confirm. That's it. So I have already staked my 4 IBS tokens here. Okay, I need to again do that. Maybe there was 2 confirmations. Right, now it has been submitted. I click OK and I'll go to my staking. Click refresh. Maybe it will take some time. There's a timer going on, 7 hours remaining. So we get paid every 8 hours. So I'll wait for some time till my account reflects the staking. So once it is done, I'll let you know. Go back to home and see. I'll just check all. Yes, it is there. So just need to refresh or wait for some time. So you can see this is my staking, what I've done. And when there is some IBS in this, I will show you how to withdraw or claim it. Thank you.